Yun yung ano, actually, 'di ba ano pa lang, if you remember nung first game pa lang, sinabi ko na sa interview that we cannot rely on our import alone. Ano, I mean, I've been in this league for so many years, no? Iba na basketball ngayon, no? The locals should really produce also. I'm not saying, by points, no? Just the support of the locals. Napakalaking bagay sa import na yun, no? Napakalaking bagay sa import. So that the import don't have to score 50 points or, 60 points just to win the game. No? Because of, syempre, magagaling din mag-scout na yung mga teams ngayon eh. Diba? So we really have to work together to help our import, no? Especially the locals. Challenge ko talaga yung mga locals, especially my vets, no? Na talagang they need our import needs our support. No? We cannot rely on our import alone. If I might say, I mean, as good as Justin Brownlee is, but I've been with him for so many years. The support of the locals talaga ang naging success nung run namin na yun. No? Yes, he's really good, but I was telling them, Justin is good because of the support of the locals also. So I hope magbigay aral sa amin yun, no? Sa mga locals namin, and sana, 'di ba? This is the start of a good run for us. But again, we still have a lot of things to tackle, especially on our defense, no? We want to be a defensive team first. So